Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I will be sharing with you these few ingredients you can use to flatten your belly fat. It works perfectly well, guys. It's a natural recipe. In your pot you add in your water, your 1 cup of water, guys, your sliced lemon, guys. You can use 2 or 3 lemon. You cut it into pieces, guys, and add in, you use chilled pepper. You add in your clove. You guys know clove now. You add in your ginger, a little pieces of ginger, guys. Stir it, mix it very well. It works perfectly well for belly fat, for losing weight. Is tested and trusted, guys. You cook it for like 10 minutes. Your recipe is ready. You have to shifter it, remove all the shaft, all the lemon and the clove. You drink only the water early in the morning. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this recipe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.